Sorry.
Put it on the floor.
It's a little thing.
Crumbs after you eat, or after you walk in the house, if you bring in a few leaves.
Your dogs are, and your dogs are scared.
Yeah. And so it automatically charges when it sits in that thing, right?
Yeah.
When it has a charger, you put the wall. Yeah.
That's nice.
Well, that's not, that is really cool.
That's a real one.
Here's her instructions.
Yeah.
I need to go get one.
Thank you. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. If you can help me, if I can do that. Wow! Wow!
Wow. Say, what is it?
It's how to raise little babies like rats in a maze.
This is Maria.
Thank you. Thank you, David.
Oh, look at these. We love these. We don't even have many. Now we have more.
Oh, is it for the hair? For her head. Oh,
Valentine's is coming up.
okay. Uh-oh.
And
There you go.
Mommy doesn't buy her girly things because Daddy doesn't let me.
That is good.
Oh. And a friend of mine made these. These are homemade.
Oh, that's great.
You look very pretty. Okay, Gracie, you like all that peppermint?
Oh, did I get some of that?
that's from me and Dava.
Me and
Hey,
Mommy.
It's a
This goes to...
it's an automatic enema.
Hi.
Look at all
It's an automatic enema.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's
Got a cute one.
nice.
Oh.
Mommy,
Wow, thank you very much.
Vanilla.
Yeah, thank you.
it's from me and Mom.
Oh,
What else
Oh,
is
that's vanilla.
For Maria.
It's
Oh, Maria.
let me help you with
These
that.
are pretty.
Look at that.
It's to Granny.
Wow.
Hey, thanks.
Wow. That's perfect for our part of the world.
Figured if you knew it was a little big, you probably could use it for a while.
I love these turtlenecks too. They're really good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There's pants with
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Here,
Uh-oh.
here, this is from Maria.
That's from us and Wes.
Thank you. Oh, look
Wow.
the little doll that we got her in the gift. She loves it. It's her favorite toy. She plays with it in the morning when she wakes up. She loves playing with it.
She's starting to recognize the dolls now. She knows them.
Now, let me show you something. Look.
She got her the compact model for travel.
Oh wow!
Okay, this is for you guys.
Oh wow!
So you can
Those candy canes are for you guys.
Thank you.
It's the different
Thank you.
sounds. See, the kids own that book too. Yeah.
We've worn out 2 of those in our family.
You know what though? In a multicultural world, it's very complicated because actually animals in Poland make different sounds.
They do.
Yeah. See, dogs don't go bark, bark. They go how, how. So you got to learn all this. I'm like, okay,
Well, you'll have to find a Polish sensei. I'm sorry, I only found an English one.
Oh, look at this! She's going to start learning that now, right?
Yeah.
She's grabbing it.
And
She'll start realizing if she pulls it, it won't
I'll
happen.
let Ann help you with this one. You don't want the dogs to get it?
She loves it.
Oh yeah.
Where were they? Oh, okay. Yeah, we found those. But I saw all that peppermint candy.
Daddy loves it when she loves it because that's less that Daddy has to
That's
do.
from me. That big old bucket that was all peppermint candy.
How do you make
But it's softer. It's softer than those really.
I don't know.
Oh, they're so good. They just melt.
Yeah. Don't have to think about it. Some look.
Granny? Finally, you look like a girl. No, a tomboy. Mom? Mom, that is from Nanny.
Oh,
Yeah, that's from Nanny.
Let me have the back.
it's Maria, as I say.
Okay, I'll hold them for you.
That's from
our nanny.
Maria's nanny.
This is from Maria's nanny.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I made candy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's chocolate.